When you move 1,000 American Express points to Aeroplan, you receive exactly 1,000 points back. In contrast, transferring those same points to partners like Delta or Cathay Pacific results in a 25% loss in volume. This 1-to-1 ratio ensures your earned balance retains its full value. Moving these points relies on a strict 4-step digital process. By following this exact sequence, you ensure zero monetary value is lost in translation between the two banking systems. Before you initiate a transfer, you must confirm your hardware. Only full membership rewards cards, like the Cobalt, Gold, or Platinum, allow airline transfers. If you hold a cashback product from the Simply Cash line, this option will be disabled. You also need 2 specific assets ready to go: a minimum balance of 1,000 Amex points and your exact 9-digit Aeroplan account number. Ignoring these requirements triggers a hard bounce on the transfer request. You'll lose hours to manual troubleshooting while your targeted flight availability disappears. There is one unbending rule for this system. The digital pipeline between Amex and Aeroplan runs in exactly one direction. Once you hit confirm, your membership rewards balance drops and your Aeroplan balance climbs. If you change your mind 5 seconds later, no customer service agent on Earth can reverse it. The transaction is final. Because of this strict one-way street, you must manually verify live award space on aircanada.com. Confirm the exact flight you want is available to book with points before you move a single unit of currency. Speculative transfers, moving points just to consolidate balances, destroy the inherent flexibility of your Amex account. You trade the freedom to choose between multiple airlines and lock your capital permanently inside Air Canada's ecosystem. Step 1 is logging into the Canadian American Express portal and navigating directly to the Transfer Points menu in your rewards dashboard. A frequent stumbling block here is accidentally logging into the US site. Check your URL bar, replacing the .com with .ca to ensure you are routing through the Canadian portal. Once inside the Transfer Points menu, scroll down to the Airline Partner grid and locate the Aeroplan tile. If you see an empty slot instead of the Aeroplan logo, your account failed the card tier check. You cannot proceed. But with an eligible card, the Aeroplan tile displays a clean 1-to-1 ratio. Exactly 1,000 membership rewards points equal 1,000 Aeroplan points. This tile also displays promotional transfer bonuses. If a limited time 20 or 30% bonus is active, the interface dynamically updates the math. Arriving at this fully populated, verified screen means you have successfully cleared the primary geographical and account tier filters that cause most transfer failures. Step 2 requires entering your exact 9-digit Aeroplan number into the empty profile field. Next, input your desired transfer volume. The system requires a strict 1,000-point minimum to initiate a request, and every point past that threshold must be moved in exact increments of 100. As you type, the interface will dynamically generate your final payout below the input box, giving you one last chance to verify the math before committing. This brings us to the most common failure point in the entire process. The primary name on your Amex account must match the Aeroplan account name perfectly, letter for letter. This matching protocol acts as a non-negotiable security layer. It prevents malicious actors from siphoning your balance into an unlinked loyalty account. If you use a nickname on one profile and your legal name on the other, the transfer will fail. Step 3 is the final review. Check the transaction summary screen, verify the output, and officially commit to the transfer. You will immediately receive a digital receipt and a confirmation email from American Express logging the request. While airline partners often take days to process transfers, the Aeroplan network usually clears in under 30 minutes. In most cases, the points appear instantly. Very rarely, fraud screening may stall the process. If your points haven't materialized after 24 hours, call the 1-800 support number on the back of your card to manually clear the security hold. This rapid settlement architecture means you can safely identify an award flight online, execute the transfer, and book the seat in a single continuous session. Step 4 is verification. Open a new browser tab, log into your Air Canada profile, and visually confirm your newly inflated Aeroplan balance. Keep in mind, these points are now governed by Air Canada's terms and conditions. They will remain valid indefinitely, provided your account registers qualifying activity every 18 months to prevent expiration. With a successful transfer complete, your new balance should yield a baseline of 2 cents per point when applied toward flight awards. By utilizing this bridge, you can redeem your points for twice the value compared to the fixed 1 cent per point rate offered through the standard travel portal. Ultimately, it is the most effective way to extract high value from your daily Canadian credit card spend.